This is a glass. This is a glass too. This is also a glass. They are both glasses, but they are not the same. They are not the same. They are different. What is the difference? What is the difference between these two glasses? What is the difference? They are different sizes. They are different sizes. This glass is bigger than this glass. This is the big glass. This glass is smaller than this glass. This is the small glass. This is the big glass. This is the small glass. Tom, would you pick up the big glass? Sure. Would you pick up the small glass? Sure. This is a glass too. This glass is smaller than this one, and smaller than this one. This is the smallest glass. This glass is bigger than this one, and this glass is bigger than both of these. This is the biggest glass. This is the biggest glass. These are all glasses, but they are different sizes. Tom, would you pick up the small glass? Okay, which one? The smallest glass. Oh, the smallest glass, okay. These are both apples. They're both green apples. They're the same color and they're the same kind of apple. The same color and the same kind. But what's the difference? What's the difference between these two apples? Well, this one is bigger than this one. This one is smaller than this one. This is the big apple. This is the small apple. These are all apples. These are apples. What's the difference? What's the difference between these apples? Well, they're different colors. They're different colors, and they're different kinds of apples. I don't know the name of this kind of apple. This is a green apple, and this type, this kind, is called a red apple. They're different kinds, and they're different colors. These are red onions. They're both the same kind of onion, red onions, and they're both the same color. They're both red. What's the difference? Well, one of the onions is bigger than the other one. This one is bigger than this one. This one is smaller than this one. This one is the big onion. This one is the small onion. They're different sizes. They're different size onions. This is the big one. This is the small one. These are onions. These are all onions. What's the difference in these onions? These are different kinds of onions. This is a red onion. This is a yellow onion, I think. I think that's the name, yellow onion. This is a scallion. This is a kind of onion. This is a white onion. They're all onions, but they're different kinds of onions. That's the difference. They're different kinds of onions. These are glasses. These are both glasses. What's the difference? What's the difference between this glass and this glass? This glass is a different shape. The bottom is a different shape. This is a square. This glass is square. This is square on the bottom. This glass is round on the bottom. This glass is round. They're different shapes. This glass is square. This glass is round. They're both glasses, but the difference is the shape. They're different shapes. Tom, would you pick up the square glass? Sure, there you go. Would you pick up the round glass? Sure. They're the same size, but they're different shapes.